heaven. May I request the Father of this child to please light the candle.
Wala lang siya. Parang wala lang.
Then pass on the light to the grandparents. Receive the light of Christ. Parents and grandparents, this light is entrusted to you to become burning brightly. This child of yours has been enlightened by Christ. She is to walk always as a child of the light. May she keep the flame of faith in her